The Indian paradise flycatcher is a medium-sized passerine bird in the monarch flycatcher family. As the global population is considered stable, it has been listed as least concern on the red list since 2004. It is native to the Indian subcontinent with resident and breeding populations in most of Bangladesh, India, and Sri Lanka. It has a length of 20 to 50 centimeter from beak to tail. Males have elongated central tail feathers and a blackened rufous plumage. Female are short tail with rufous wings and a black head. It feeds on insects including grasshoppers, butterflies, and mantises as well as flies. It typically captures prey in the air, kills it by hitting it on a rock. The female bird of the Asian call is large and long-tailed, measuring 39 to 46 centimeters, 15 to 18 inches. It is found in the Indian subcontinent, China, and Southeast Asia. It lays eggs in the nest of crows and other hosts who raise its young. Red-pinted bulbul. It is a resident breeder across the Indian subcontinent, including Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, extending east the Burma and parts of Bhutan and Nepal. The son is screaming without mom and dad. He can't fly. He is going to fall. He is shaking. Now mom and dad are bringing food to their baby. It is about 20 centimeters in length with a long black tail, giving the head square's appearance. The body is dark brown with a scale pattern, while the head is darker or black. Now, mom and dad and son are getting rest.